As content creators, one of the biggest challenges is coming up with video ideas. You try to think, but it feels like you're just staring at a blank wall. So in this video, I'll be sharing 2 simple steps on how you can generate ideas consistently, plus a few extra bonus tips, so that you always have something to post and never feel stuck again. Before you even think about ideas, the first step is to pick what type of video style you want to make, whether it's going to be educational or entertainment. A lot of creators struggle with generating ideas because they don't know whether they should be educational or entertaining. They try to be both, and then they end up with videos in the middle where it's not valuable enough to compete with other educational style videos, or it's not interesting enough to compete with other entertaining style videos. So here's how you can choose between them. If your niche involves showing your target audience how to use or how to do something, pick educational style videos. Think of like tutorials or how-to videos. On the other hand, if your target audience can enjoy your content without all this explanation, then do entertainment style videos. Think of like vlogs or skits. For example, if your niche is fitness and you want to show your target audience how to do certain workouts, do educational style videos like 3 workouts that target your bicep, for example. Your viewers would be clicking on your video to learn how to do those workouts. On the other hand, if you just want to show your viewers a workout challenge you're doing, for example, I tried the hardest workout challenge for 7 days. Then the viewers will be clicking on your video not to learn your workout, but rather to see if you survive and be entertained out of it. So for this case, you'll be doing entertainment style videos. Both style work, but you need to pick a side and stick with it so that when you generate ideas, you have a clear direction. Now that you've chosen your video style, the next big struggle you'll face is the blank page problem. You sit down to brainstorm and nothing. To beat this, here's what you can do. Set a 10 to 15 minute timer and dump every idea that comes to your mind. Don't overthink about it, don't judge your ideas. One of the main reasons people write nothing is because they convince themselves every idea that comes to their mind is bad or it has already been done. The goal here isn't perfect ideas, it's just to get them out of your head. So make sure to log them somewhere. I personally use Notion because I can access it from my phone or the computer, but you can use whatever that works for you. Don't worry if you have too many ideas, because you can just use one now and save the rest for future videos. So over time, you build an idea bank. Here are some bonus tips. Do this brainstorming at the right time of the day. Don't brainstorm when you're mentally drained or stressed. Find your personal creative hours. For me, it's when I'm commuting or later at night when I'm more clear-headed. So find which hour works best for you and schedule this brainstorming then. Second tip is use AI tools to help you brainstorm. Tools like ChatGPT can give you fresh angles or even expand on ideas that you already have. Just make sure to give them context, like what's your video style and what is your target audience, so that the ideas that it generates fit your channel. So here's a recap. First, pick a clear video style for your channel. It's either going to be educational or entertainment. Don't be in the middle. Next, with your video style and your target audience in mind, set a timer and brain dump every video idea that comes to your mind. Don't overthink it, don't judge them, but make sure you log them somewhere. Ideally, you want to do this brainstorming session during your personal creative hours. And if you just need some help or that extra push, feel free to use tools like ChatGPT. If you follow these steps, you'll never stare at a blank page ever again. And if you're still unsure about what niche you're in, feel free to check out my last video where I show you how to pick your niche and stand out. That's all for this video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.